how you can delete your AliExpress account. If you have AliExpress on your phone and you have an account that you want to delete, this is how you can do it. But before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this one. On that note, let's dive in. First of all, open your app. And once you've opened your app, you can see many tabs at the bottom. Just tap on this icon at the bottom right to open your profile. Once you are in your profile, what you can do is on the top right, you can see this settings icon right here besides the notification. So just tap on the settings. And if you just want to sign out, you can just do it from here. But if you want to permanently delete your account, tap on profile, and once you've done that, you can see at the very bottom there is an option to delete account. Simply tap on that. This will take you to the privacy center of AliExpress, where you have to confirm that you really want to delete your account. So after you have done that, just scroll down and tap on this delete your account. This will send you a verification code to your email, and once you verify it, you can delete your account. And that's how you delete your AliExpress account on your phone. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.